Looking for a high-protein meal that's bursting with flavor and guilt-free? This is your sign to try tandoori chicken. It's juicy, smoky, and packed with organic goodness. Perfect if you're watching your carbs but don't want to compromise on taste. Start with fresh, organic chicken. Marinate in creamy yogurt, fresh garlic, ginger, and a mix of earthy Indian spices. Let the flavors soak in. Then grill or roast until you get that irresistible char and aroma. The best part? No heavy oils, no processed stuff. Just clean, wholesome ingredients that fuel your body. So next time you crave something hearty but healthy, remember, tandoori chicken is your perfect high-protein, low-carb companion.